The UCD Global Experience Summit is a two-day event exploring the diverse range of global engagement opportunities for students, faculty and staff. It also discusses the important role of higher education in developing active global citizens.
Culture is at the heart of the global experience, and for me the global experience is about the opportunities and experiences of working with and learning from people across cultures.
We're all humans on this planet Earth, that we're all our own global neighbors, and that each person represents a member of a community, and that I, myself, am a member of all those different global communities. It just gives me a sense of belonging.
Getting to interact with people from different background, culture and disciplines so that you get to know what is out there. You get to share ideas with these people and you get to work with them. By so doing, you think about things from different perspectives as you would not if you are in your shell.
Is all about connecting with people, with what's going on in the world, but also really understanding what that's all about.
It's about being challenged and letting yourself be challenged by these new perspectives, by these new ideas.
Bringing together a range of national and international speakers, the summit explored a diverse range of topics, including inclusive internationalisation, green Erasmus, decolonisation, global citizenship education, and much more through storytelling, discussion and debate.
A global experience to me means a sense of belonging and interconnectedness in an ever-changing world.
It's about recognising and exploring the global dimensions of our disciplinary knowledge and learning from others who bring different perspectives to our subject areas.
It means being open-minded, being kind and truly willing to see and listen to people, seeing things from different perspectives.